In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll have the Microsoft Teams Power-Up connected to your Trello board so you can bring cards, lists, and updates right into your Teams workspace. Start by opening your browser and heading to Trello.com. Once the page loads, make sure you're in the right Trello workspace for your project. From the top navigation, go to Boards. This shows all the boards you have access to. Choose the specific board you want to connect with Microsoft Teams. If you collaborate with a group, it's best to pick a board that the whole team uses regularly. Keep in mind, depending on your workspace settings, you may need board admin permissions to add integrations like power-ups. With your board open, look toward the top area of the board and find the Power-Ups option. Click it to open the Power-Ups panel. This is where Trello keeps all the add-ons that extend your board's functionality. Next, click Add Power-Ups. You'll see a marketplace-style view with a search bar at the top. Click into the search bar and type Teams. This filters the results to show the Microsoft Teams Power-Up from Trello's directory. When you see Microsoft Teams in the results, click it to open its details. Here you can read a quick overview of what the integration does and how it connects Trello with Teams channels and chats. To begin setting it up, click Configure. This will take you to Microsoft's listing page where the integration is managed. On that page, click Free to start the process, then click Get It Now. Microsoft may ask you to confirm a few details so it can add the app to your tenant or account. If prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account. It's best to use the same work or school account you already use with Teams, so the connection matches your organization's policies. Type your account credentials and click Sign in to proceed. If you don't already have a Microsoft account for this purpose, click Sign up for a free account and follow the on-screen steps to create one. Once you've finished any sign-in or sign-up prompts, close any pop-up windows by clicking the X so you're back on the listing page or your browser tab. On the listing, you can preview how the integration looks and functions. Click the photo preview to open the gallery, then use the right arrow to move through the screenshots. Keep clicking the arrow to step through each example so you can see how cards appear inside Teams, how notifications look, and how the Power-Up connects boards and channels. This preview helps you confirm you're installing the correct integration for your workflow. When you're done reviewing, click the X to close the gallery. At this point, you've initiated the Microsoft Teams integration for your Trello board. Head back to your Trello tab to continue using your board with the Power-Up enabled. If the Power-Up panel is still open, you should see Microsoft Teams listed. If you don't see it right away, give the page a quick refresh. Depending on your organization's settings, an admin might need to approve the app before it's fully active in Teams. If you run into any permission prompts, check with your IT admin to complete approval. From here, you can keep working in Trello and expect to connect it with Teams where supported. A couple of quick tips. Make sure you choose the correct board before starting, since each board is integrated separately. And if you collaborate across multiple Teams channels, consider repeating this process for other boards you want to surface in Teams. That's it. Your Trello board and Microsoft Teams are now connected through the Power-Up, streamlining collaboration across both tools. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to follow along for more workflow tutorials.